What does manifest mean? Is there a universal definition of manifest, or is the meaning of manifest personal? Your dreams and wishes are personal. They are made of feelings, hopes, and desires, which are stored in your heart and mind. Sometimes, your dreams and wishes are hidden away very deep. They reside in the most private part of your soul. Not all of your dreams and wishes are alike. Some of them are not so important, such as wanting to have the latest model of an expensive cell phone. Such a wish may seem important at the outset, but deep down inside you, you know that your life will go on as usual, even if you never attain that wish. On the other hand, there are dreams that make you feel incomplete when you still haven't achieved them. These dreams may include having a well-paying job, being respected by your peers, being loved by your family and friends, rising out of debt, or the most common desire, having someone to love you as faithfully as you love that person in return. The more connected your dream is to what you aspire, the deeper is your intention to turn your dream into reality. But why do some people seem to easily manifest what they want, while some do not succeed at doing so? Could one's understanding of the meaning of manifestation play an essential role to dream fulfillment? Have you ever tried to apply the power of the law of attraction, only to be disappointed by the results? Some of my clients have told me they were so eager about putting the law of attraction into practice, but eventually had doubts on whether it was true, because they didn't receive what they were trying to manifest. When I ask them for more details, they usually tell me things like, "Oh, I don't really know. I was just trying to be happy, so that's what I focused my mind on. I wanted to manifest happiness. Well, I wanted to win in the lottery, so I tried manifesting the winning lottery numbers, but I didn't get them. It's my office mate. I wish she would notice me in a romantic kind of way, instead of giving her attention to her boyfriend." The minute I hear such replies, I immediately know what went wrong. Their answers told me that they misunderstood the meaning of the law of attraction. They had a false understanding of what manifestation means. You know manifesting works for other people, but you feel as though you're missing something to make it work for you. The number one reason most people get stuck while manifesting is they don't know every vital step to manifest and co-create with the universe. Click the link in the description to take this 30 seconds manifestation reading and reveal your true magical manifestation powers. Find the answers you've been searching for. Thank you for watching our What Does Manifest Mean video. Please be sure to like and share this and subscribe to this channel for future videos.